Welcome to part 3 of our first session. Now what we're going to do is add in the racket. As before, if you've got a racket, that's brilliant. If not, we might have to get a little bit creative. So what I've got here is a folder, but you could use a book, anything similar, with a nice hard flat surface that you can use to hit the ball. Okay, so now I've got my ball and my racket. Now, who can remember that position was in earlier? That's it. So it was the ready position. Good, so we're going to try and have that ready position here. But what I'm going to do is just bring my racket out in front like this, and then place the ball on my racket. Now what my challenge is to you guys is we're going to see if we can keep that ball on the racket for 10 seconds. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent, well done. Okay, so what we're going to do now, if you didn't have your racket, of course we can use a book or a folder, and we're going to try and pop the ball on that there. And we're just going to start moving around. So we're still going to try and keep our racket or our book nice and level. And we're going to see if we can keep the ball on as we're moving around. So just a little bit left and right. Trying to keep it as flat as possible. Don't drop it, don't drop it. That's it. See if you can move around. That's it, well done. So make sure you're not dropping it, keeping it nice and level. Can we go for another 5 seconds, guys? Brilliant, and one more challenge for you guys. So we're going to have that ball again on the racket. I can see if we can get down onto the ground, but keeping the ball on there, and then stand back up again. So maybe sit down and stand up. Here we go. So you've got to keep it really flat and level. I'm down. And then stand back up. Well done. Okay, so for the next thing, I'm going to get back into my ready position at the start, racket and ball. What I'm going to do, drop the ball and then see if I can catch it with my racket underneath. Here we go. So you'll notice I've got to bend my knees to get down underneath, and it's a nice gentle movement to catch the ball. Excellent, here we are. If you wanted to, we could of course pop the ball up into the air. Again, make sure that racket's underneath the ball to catch it. Now if you didn't have a tennis ball and you're perhaps using some socks, it works exactly the same, but we just have to go for the one up in the air. So make sure you really watch it and get that racket underneath.